Phoenix family, to One-Footed Phoenix. Today I have another package to open up.
Just wanted to let you guys know that this is a sponsored video. Reha Design sent over the products for me to try out for you guys. I would not be endorsing something on my channel unless I believed in the product.
Alright, let's see what's inside. Opening, 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 open! Ooh, I like these. That is a nice color. It's a nice bright blue. I love that. These are the rim covers that will go on my wheelchair in just a moment. And these are the spokes. I'm gonna have to figure out how to put these on, but these are cool. Super cool. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how the rim covers go on. And I'm assuming these go on similar to the wheelchair slippers that they sent me. Okay, so my first impression is that I love the color. I love how much they added color to my wheelchair. And I love how they feel. They're just nice and grippy. And I love that. I sometimes have a hard time trying to push myself or trying to like stop. And I love that these are nice and grippy and they'll keep my wheelchair from getting dings in the rims, which is so cool. So today I'm going to be putting on these spokes to my other wheels right here, and I'm also going to be putting the spokes onto these wheels. So this is what they look like before I've done anything, and I'll show you guys what it looks like after as well. Okay, so I'm realizing that it's probably going to be easier to put the spokes on when the wheels are not on the wheelchair. And so I was hoping that I could put them on without taking the wheels off my wheelchair, but no big deal because I'm an amputee, so no big deal for me. I can take the wheels off my wheelchair like no problem, and I can just like sit on the floor and put the spokes on. There you go. I got 3 of them on. This is gonna be a little bit of a project. So the other thing is that if you have limited hand function, I think that this would be pretty difficult for you to get the spokes onto your wheelchair. And I'm not saying that that's a bad thing, I'm just saying like if you do have limited hand function, know that you're probably gonna have to have someone else install the spokes for you. Alright, so it took doing a few of these, but I think I got it figured out and it's going a lot faster now. So what you need to do is you take one end of the spoke and you need to kind of open it like this, and then you need to stick that at the fattest part of the spoke, so like at the top of the spoke, and then you can just gently push the spoke in all the way down to the other end. There. And it's on. Just like that. That's how you do it. Okay, here is what the finished wheel looks like with the spokes on. It looks awesome! I can't wait to get the other side done.
Push rim covers are good for all kinds of things. The push rim covers protect the doors and walls from getting dinged from my wheelchair rims brushing up against them, and they came in the mail at the absolute perfect timing. Like, I tell you guys, this was absolutely perfect timing, but they came right as we had just repaired all of the damage done to the doors and the walls in my house, because my house is now up for sale. If you have aluminum push rims like I have, you'll notice that your push rims get either really hot in the summer or really cold in the winter. And having push rim covers on there prevents you from having to touch your push rims when they're either way too hot or freezing cold. The push rim covers also protect against carpal tunnel. If you didn't know, you can actually get carpal tunnel from pushing your wheelchair because repeatedly hitting your hands against the aluminum can cause carpal tunnel. Aluminum push rims are easily scratched and damaged, and here are some pictures of what my push rims looked like before I put the push rim covers on. The Seksi Spokes also look amazing with the push rim covers. The Seksi Spokes are really cool and I like them a lot. They really brought a lot of color to my wheelchair that I didn't have before. Push rim covers retail for around $70 US. The website is in euros because they're out of Lithuania, so plan on it taking a little bit of time to get to you if you're in the United States. The Seksi Spokes are about $21 US with the exchange rate. Again, it's in euros, but it's about $21 US. You may have also noticed that I have the Reha Design wheelchair slippers on my wheelchair right now, and I've been using those a ton because we just cleaned the carpets in my room, and so anytime I'm in and out of my room or around the house, I'm using those wheelchair slippers to keep our floors clean while we prepare to sell our house. Overall, I am super happy with the Reha Design products that they've sent over for me to try for you guys. I love the fact that Reha Design really keeps wheelchair users in mind, and I feel like they've designed their products to have wheelchair users in mind. It's almost like a wheelchair user designed these products, and it's because like they really know what you need and what wheelchair users want. They know how to serve the wheelchair community, and I love that about Reha Design. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you so much, the Phoenix family, for coming and watching this video all the way through. It means a ton to me as the creator that you're spending time out of your busy schedule to come and hang out with me. If you would like to see another one-footed Phoenix video, click over here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you, bye!